Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and let's talk Fuelpak Pro and why you would want to use that in addition to your fuel pack. Okay, the Fuelpak Pro is the next level of tuning. Say you're gonna do cams, big bore, any kind of hot rod stuff that you may not have access to maps, or once you start getting kind of into your motor and building it, the folks at Vance and Hines, they have a huge map database, but not necessarily for these really highly modified motors, and especially if you start getting into the weeds with different cam specs and things like that. This was originally developed as a dealer tool, but I personally see it for kind of gearheads like myself that want to do some higher level tuning, that have advanced modifications to their motor. Now, what you get with the Fuelpak Pro is the Fuelpak Pro unit, but you also get 2 Bosch wideband sensors. And I'll link you to a video that explains the difference between wideband and narrowband sensors. But basically, this is going to allow you more detailed tuning ability because of the better sensor. Now, you can use the Fuelpak Pro on multiple bikes. You have to take it on and off the bike, but each bike will have to have a fuel pack. So if each bike has its own fuel pack, you can then take the Fuelpak Pro and tune different bikes. Like I said, it was kind of developed for dealers, but hot rod guys like myself, if I had multiple bikes, especially with fuel packs on them, I could tune them very, very specifically with the Fuelpak Pro. It allows you to use the software that you already have on your FP3 with the addition of those Wideband O2 sensors to really tune and actually build maps and upload maps to the Vance and Hines server and do for real custom tuning that you do on a dyno or in real world conditions. You don't have to have a dyno to use this. You can actually use the AutoTune feature plus a bunch of others, go out in the real world, ride your motorcycle and tune it specifically for your machine. If you're doing a cam, a big bore kit, anything more than bolt-on intake and exhaust, this is going to be a great tool for you. Now, you must have 18mm bungs in your exhaust to screw those wideband O2s into. Most hot rod exhausts nowadays have 18mm bungs in there that have bushings down to the narrow band. So if you got a good exhaust, you probably already have that. Now, we will be doing a series of videos on the functionality of this, but you do have to mount this to the bike. Basically, you have to put the O2 sensors into the exhaust and you have to plug everything in. That's pretty much the nuts and bolts of it. We'll get into this, we'll do an installation video and start stepping you through this. But if you are looking for next level tuning, something that you'll never have to worry about tuning again, no matter how crazy you get with your bike, as far as engine modifications, this is the way to go. And the beauty part is, if you sell your bike, you get another bike, you get an FP3 for that bike, you can use the Fuelpak Pro on that bike also. So for, like I said, gearheads like myself, that like to tinker, that like to do motor work, this thing is a godsend. It allows you to do dealer level tuning in your garage. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop us a comment. Go work on those motorcycles.